A very good morning class. Again I am here in your physics class. Today we will discuss to derive the equations of motion by graphical method. First, in our previous class we have derived the equations of motion by mathematical method. What were the three equations of motion? Let us quickly revise them. The first one was V is equal to U plus AT. Second was S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And the third one was V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Now we will derive the first equation of motion, that is V is equal to U plus AT by graphical method. Here you can see a graph that is plotted velocity and time. This graph is very important as it will be utilized to solve all the three equations of motion. From this graph you can see OA is representing the initial velocity and OE is representing the final velocity V. OE is equal to BC, which will be equal to V, that is the final velocity. Initial velocity of the body U is equal to OA, that is the first equation, and final velocity of the body V is equal to BC, that is the second equation. But from the graph we can see that BC is made by joining BD plus CD. So in place of BC we can write CD plus BD. Written here BC is equal to BD plus DC. B is equal to BD plus DC. Again DC is equal to OA. So B is equal to BD plus OA from equation 1. Equation 1, OA is equal to U. So we can write the value in this above one. So B is equal to BD plus U. This becomes our fourth equation. Again we know that acceleration is equal to slope of line AB. Now we will see a graph again. This line AB is representing acceleration, which is made by joining BD upon AD. We know that AD is equal to OC. अगर OC की वैल्यू T है तो AB की वैल्यू भी क्या हो जाएगी? T हो जाएगी. BD की हमें पता नहीं है. So we will put the values now. A is equal to BD upon AD. AD is equal to OC is equal to T. Just now I told you from the graph. So put these values of T. So A becomes BD upon T. यहाँ से इन दोनों को cross multiply कर देंगे तो BD is equal to 80. Now put all these value of BD in equation 4. जहाँ पर हमने यहाँ पर equation 4 डाला है, ये सारी values BD की हम यहाँ पर रख देंगे. जब मैंने values put करी BD की जो 80 आई है, तो मेरी क्या बन जाएगी? V is equal to 80 plus U. चाहे मैं इसे ऐसे लिख लूँ, V is equal to U plus 80, which is our first equation of motion.